Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, this one going to be cumin seed. This one you can lose weight up to 1 week with this drink, which I'm gonna make for you today. Okay, guys, 1 week. 1 week. Anyway, if you're going to drink this in 1 week, drink it early in the morning before breakfast. All right, guys. Make sure you eat healthy for that week and you will see the result what I'm talking about. Anyway, we're gonna come across a seed called cumin seed. C-U-M-I-N. Cumin seed. S-E-E-D-S. Cumin seed and water. That's all we're going to use today. All right. 1 ingredients. Here it is. Works miracle in your life. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So let's start it off today with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Nice. So this is how we're going to start it off. We're going to put 1 cup of water inside of this medium-sized pot. And then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of cumin seed inside of the water. All right, let's put a little bit more. Nice. Cumin seed is very good for us. It have a lot of benefit. Can help you with iron and a lot more things. If you never used cumin seed before, it is good for you to do some research and see what's the health benefit from cumin seed. I use it in a lot of stuff. I use it in curry. I use it drinking tea. I use it for weight loss. I use it for detoxing. They got the black one and this is the other one, which is, you can see it have a different color. But as I say, if you want to give it a try and give it a go, if you want to lose some weight and detox in your body, cumin seed is a very, very, very good seed to use. A lot of Asian people like to use it. They like to cook with it. They like to do a lot of stuff with it. So most of them use it in curry. But I must say to you today that if you want to give it a try and see exactly what happened. But it is good for you to drink it on a empty stomach early in the morning before you have your breakfast or before you have lunch or anything. It's better for you to drink it. If you want to drink one before you go to your bed, eat your dinner early, and then after, as you're gonna go to lay, drink this and see exactly what happened to your body with cumin seed. It's a very, very good seed. A lot of people all over the world use it, and I definitely will introduce anyone to say give it a try or give it a go with the cumin seed. So, cumin seed, what is so fantastic about it? The reason why I must say to you today that cumin seed have a lot of benefit, because if you never tried before, give it a try, give it a go, and see the result from the cumin seed. I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys for watching the show. Got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and as I say, if it's a little taste a little bit funny for you, you can use, I want to say honey. Use sweetener, because sweetener is very good for our health and it's good for into weight loss. All right, a lot of people forget about sweetener, but sweetener is very good. Take the time out to say stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Watch the video, and we have a lot more coming. As you can see, it's gonna start to boil up. That's the cumin seed. It's very, very healthy, very good for us, and it have a lot of health benefit. So stay tuned as we goes on with it. So here it is. Now we're going to simple strain it. That's exactly what I'm talking about, the cumin seed. So enjoy it, guys, and it's a new recipes and new ideas for enough for you guys. But as I say, I used it before on my YouTube channel, and yeah, it's very good. I used the black one before, and I will definitely use it again and again and again, because it's a very good healthy drink. As I said, a lot of people use it in a lot of different things, so you can give it a try, give it a go, and see exactly what will be done for you. We're gonna do a lot more video on it, because I'm gonna do a detoxing from it also, because the detoxing is very, very good also with it. All right, guys, take the time out to say thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show, and please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell and get the latest update, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.